Question number 2 is we have to find out some terms, and we have been given with the general term. A general term have been given to us in every part, and we have to find the required term. In the first part, this is basically a solved question, and this is a very easy question. We just have to put the values of n in the general term in order to find the required term. The first part, the formula for the general term Tn is 2n, and we have to find T3. T3 is basically the third term, and in order to find the third term, I will replace this n by 3 because I have to find the third term. So I will write T3 is equals to 2 as it is, and I will write the value of n, which is equals to 3, because I have to find the third term. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, so the third term of this sequence is 6. In the second part, the general term is 2n square plus 5n plus 2, and I have to find out the 8th term. T8 means I have to find out the 8th term, so I will write 8 in place of n, and I wrote T8 is equals to 2 as it is, and then n, so I will use a bracket. I will use 8 in place of n, 8 square, and then plus 5, and then I will again put the value of n as 8 plus 2. 8 square means 8 multiplied by 8 is 64, and 64 on being multiplied by 2 is 128, and then 5 times 8 is 40, and plus 2, and when I will add these three numbers, this will become 130, and 130 plus 40 is equals to 170. So my 8th term of this sequence is 170. And in the last part, Tn, the general term is 5 minus 3n, and I have to find the first term T1, the second term T2, and the third term T3. So for finding the first term, I will put n is equals to 1, 5 as it is, minus as it is, 3 as it is, and I will put n is equals to 1, 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. And for the second term, I will put n is equals to 2, 2 3s are 6, 5 minus 6 is equals to minus 1. And for the third term, I will put n is equals to 3, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So this was a very easy question on arithmetic sequence. You have been given with the general term, and you have given the general term, and you have to find the required term, and you just have to put the value of n in the general term and solve it in order to find the required term.